Do you want me to go to your party? I don't know. Tal vez. Hi everyone. The word of the day is tal vez. Tal vez. This is a Spanish phrase and it means maybe or perhaps. It's similar to quizás. Tal vez works with feminine and masculine nouns and it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. Tal vez vaya a la fiesta. Tal vez vaya a la fiesta. Pregúntale a María. Tal vez ella sabe la respuesta. Pregúntale a María. Tal vez ella sabe la respuesta. No sé. Tal vez. No sé. Tal vez. Tal vez llueva mañana. Tal vez llueva mañana. Esta canción es tal vez la mejor que he escuchado en mi vida. Esta canción es tal vez la mejor que he escuchado en mi vida. Tal vez sí, tal vez no. Tal vez sí, tal vez no. Okay, as you can see, this is a really useful and easy phrase to learn in Spanish. It looks more like a word because this phrase is really short, only 2 words. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave me more examples down below using tal vez. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!